my goodness, this is definitely one of the biggest cubing fails, but it's still amazing. Can't imagine how efficient this solve is. Well, he started with blue cross, but if you would like to have it on white, hold the cube like that and then scramble your cube. Alright, let's just find the cross pieces. Well, these two are here and these two are here, and wow, the cross looks really easy. This one is already solved, and you can solve these two with a D move like that. And if you have noticed, there is a solve pair back there. So he did X cross with these two pieces, I'm in orange and green, so he did F and paired up these two and solved this cross edge as well. And then he went for these two, so he did D move and solved these two. And for preserving this block, he did R2 and then F prime and solved this one at first, and then went for these two, like that. And then he immediately went for the second pair, so he did a cube rotation. And for the third pair, he hit the corner, put this edge right there, and for solving this case, just unhide the corner and then pair up these two. And just look at here, here's a cool trick. Well, as he was pairing up these two like that, he paired up these two as well. So just with one move, he made double pairs. Well, this one and this one. And then let's just insert this one, and for the last pair, he did a cube rotation and then insert this pair into the back slot. And you all know Jay is god of VLS. Well, for this case, he could have done this VLS case and get last layer skip, but I don't know why he did this pair in normal way like that, and then easy OLL case, you all know this one. And this is the sad moment. Well, here the AUF is U, but instead of U, he did U prime, and as he did U prime, he dropped the cube and then L2. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and catch you later.